Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how you can install a virtual environment. So previously, when we installed Python, Python comes with a package to manage dependencies, which is called pip. So we first look the pip version from this terminal window and use this command pip version to actually find out which version or what version is the pip that has been installed. So this is 24.3.1. So let's clear this screen. Excuse me. Yeah, we have cleared the screen. So I would like to show you how you can install virtual environment in the terminal. Previously, we were creating virtual environment, or PyCharm was creating the virtual environment for us when we were creating the project. Now I want to show you a different way you can actually create a virtual environment that you can use to install the dependencies or any software framework which you want to use on your project, and that software installed in a virtual environment is going to be platform independent, so it will belong to that virtual environment only, and not into the global system of your computer. So let's go ahead and install a virtual environment. So we use the pip library, which is used to manage the dependencies, to install another dependencies. So pip install virtual env. If you hit enter and wait for quite some time, you're going to see that the virtual environment is going to be installed on this computer. So after the installation, as you can see, the virtual environment installed is version 20.30.0. After the installation, we are going to create a virtual environment by ourselves in this terminal. So let's clear the screen here. And after clearing the screen, you can see I've created a folder named demo here. And in this folder, this is where we want to create our virtual environment. So let's open the command prompt in this folder. So I use the shortcut like typing cmd in this path here and hit enter. It will open the terminal in the current folder. So I'm in the demo folder here. What I'm going to do is to install virtual environment, is to to activate, or I want to create a virtual environment first. So let me create a virtual environment using the installed dependence virtual env, something like this, and I want to name my virtual environment as venv for virtual environment. So if I hit enter and wait a minute, you are going to see that the virtual environment is going to be created inside this folder. So it is created now. You can see it inside this one. So inside demo, we have the venv folder that contains the libraries, the scripts, and some configurations here. So these scripts, inside these scripts is where we are going to actually have our scripts which we are going to use to manage this virtual environment. Like if you want to activate the virtual environment, you can see we have the activate here. So there's a batch file created to activate the environment. So let's go ahead and have a look on some libraries. You can see we have pip and the virtual environment also. So this is all. What I'm going to show you is to activate this virtual environment here. So inside demo, if you list the directories using dir command, you can see that we have the venv folder only here, or the venv directory only here. So let me clear the screen. And what we want to use is the activate batch file inside these scripts to activate the virtual environment, so that instead of working globally on our machine, we'll be working on the virtual environment. So the next thing we're going to do is to use this file. So you can see the path to this file is demo, venv, and scripts. So I have to change directories to this. Let me say cd venv first, and put these scripts here, hit enter. You can see I'm in scripts now. So what I can do is to run the activate, and it's a batch file which ends with a bit, and hit enter. You can see now, instead of the path starting with C and full colon, It's now starting with venv, and this means we have activated our virtual environment. So this is how you can actually activate virtual environment in the terminal window, and you can also activate it using the Windows PowerShell, but that is for the next lectures.